Welcome! If you're dreaming of owning a $400,000 home but are currently making $50,000 a year, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through an aggressive savings and investing plan to help make that dream a reality. Let's get started. First, monthly budgeting. Creating and sticking to a monthly budget is crucial. Here's how you can allocate your $50,000 annual salary. Gross monthly income, $4,167. After-tax income, assuming a 25% tax rate, $3,125. Now, let's allocate your after-tax income. Housing, rent, and utilities, 30%, $938. Food and groceries, 15%, $469. Transportation, 10%, $313. Debt repayment, 10%, $313. Entertainment and miscellaneous, 10%, $313. Savings and investments, 25%, $781. By setting aside 25% of your income for savings and investments, you're taking the first step towards your goal. Next, savings goals. To buy a $400,000 home, you'll need a 20% down payment, which is $80,000. Let's set a 5-year goal to save this amount. Monthly savings goal, $80,000 divided by 60 months equals $1,333. Given our budget, we're saving $781 monthly, so we need to boost our savings. We'll cover this gap through aggressive saving techniques and investing. Lastly, investing. Investing is key to growing your savings faster. Here's a simple investment strategy. High-yield savings account. Start with a $1,000 emergency fund. Stock market. Invest $5,000 initially in a diversified portfolio with a target annual return of 7 to 8%. Monthly contributions. Invest $400 of your $781 savings in the stock market. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, let's calculate your investment growth. Initial investment, $5,000. Monthly contribution, $400, time 5 years. Future value, approx. $400 per month for 5 years at 7% equals $28,722. Total investment value, $5,000 initial plus $28,722 growth equals $33,722. This investment strategy helps you save more efficiently, making your money work for you. To bridge the gap and boost your savings, consider these techniques. Cut non-essential spending, like reducing dining out, entertainment, and subscriptions, which could potentially save you $200 a month. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. And utilize windfalls by directing bonuses, tax refunds, or extra income towards your down payment fund. By implementing these strategies, you can add an additional $200 a month to your savings, totaling $981 monthly. Increasing your income through side hustles or freelance work can significantly boost your savings. Consider these options. Freelancing, such as writing, graphic design, or consulting, can bring in an extra $500 a month. Gig economy. Jobs, like ride-sharing, food delivery, or tutoring, can add another $300 a month. With an additional $800 a month, your total monthly savings can reach $1,781, exceeding your $1,333 goal. Let's summarize our plan: monthly budgeting. Save $781 a month. Investing. Grow your savings with a projected $33,722 over 5 years. Aggressive saving techniques. Add $200 a month. Additional income. Generate $800 a month from side hustles. By combining these strategies, you'll save approximately $106,860 in 5 years, surpassing the $80,000 down payment goal. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and you'll be on your way to owning that $400,000 home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more financial tips and strategies. In a final, reassuring tone, let's make your dream home a reality together.